other day, I was on eBay, as you do, and I saw what can only be described as an antique for sale. Very cheaply, it was ending reasonably soon, and I won it for a tenner. And it turned up today in this humongous box. Let's have a look at what I have bought. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner and carpet sweeper chums. How are you today? Yes, my regular parcel force man dropped this off. I know him very well, and we were absolutely, he was wetting himself when he rang the bell, because yeah, this whole box, and then this was still poking out of the top. It's still not quite long enough, but this is the original handle, I think, for the thing that I have bought. Well, you know what I bought, because it is on the video title, and that's interesting. So this brass sleeve of thread is separate, and then there's this little tiny handle, and I'm sure that says Ewbank on there. I don't quite know if it should say Ewbank or not, but that is certainly a very nice bowl indeed. Everything else should be in here. Let's have a look. I only paid £10 postage as well. Bless them, they did take a few days to get it dispatched. But you sell on eBay, you've got to be prepared to post. Yeah, this is, I'm going to struggle to sell this now with that little hole. This is what makes Hoover Junior 375s. But all we have inside of it is this. It is a Ewbank Success carpet sweeper. Yes, that's right. I was looking for carpet sweeper stuff anyway for another video on carpet sweepers, and did spot this, which yeah, is a very vintage carpet sweeper. But from the photos, it looked all there. These wheels didn't seem too cracked or damaged. Sometimes they can be destroyed on them, and it's quite important to have them there. They're almost rubbery as well. And yeah, otherwise, I mean, I think, oh wow, ooh, wow. Lovely, it's full of stuff. Well, that obviously means that it worked at some point. See if we can clean that up here as well. I mean, this, oh wow, this stuff looks very old as well. Marble handcraft inlaid with something very old looking thing. Let's make it a bit smaller so that this thing can pick it up perhaps without choking itself to death. So that's obviously how you empty it. That's pretty cool. And there's fluff and stuff everywhere, which is coming off a little bit. We'll get that off a bit more later. And yeah, it's all here. The brush roll is very bushy, and oh, it's quite stiff actually. These wooden parts are not cracked or broken at all. This whole thing is, yeah, pretty good order, bar all of the gunk and hair wrapped around it. But I think that means that it probably works. Oh, I don't know if it is or it isn't really. I think, let's put the handle on, and I'm probably going to need a bit of leverage to push down on it. Oh yeah, it fits on there all right there. Very nice indeed. Oh no, it's just snow plowing everywhere. It is running, it is picking stuff up, and yeah, it's not too bad. See if we can just clean it up a little bit. Right, so that's a bit more cleaned out. There's no more big bits of paper in there. Let's try something a little bit more up its alley. Let's try just a little bit of birdseed scattered on the floor. Wow! Yes! Straight up! Oh my goodness, you've got to keep it falling past because the bottle is in the middle. But yeah, that is getting right up. Trying to work. shaken like they used to. This is certainly proof of that. And then to empty it is great. I didn't even realise it had this one-touch empty. Let's see how much drops out on the floor. Yeah, perfect. You put that over your bin, give it a shake, and that is done. Ready to be cleaned up once more. Not too bad. So yeah, this is an antique, 1920s. This is so definitely 100 years old plus at the time of filming this, and it still works fine. I mean, it's a little bit careworn, sadly, but its bones are very, very good, and I think it works perfectly fine as it is. It's ready for another video I wish to do on carpet sweepers, which you shall hopefully see soon. But yeah, what a lovely little find, and for £20 posted, I'm very happy with that. Do you have a vintage carpet sweeper? Do let me know in the comments down below. We should probably pair this with a suitably vintage mover one day as well. But until that day, I'm going to continue enjoying using it and seeing how well it comes. I've probably cleaned up a little bit, but the problem with something like this is there's not a lot you can clean up. I can't really go washing and scrubbing at it, so I might just wipe it down. What would you do? Let me know in the comments down below. But until the next time, I and some other Floorcare sweeping devices, vintage and brand new, will see you soon. Bye bye.